Welcome to Money Basics, where your money starts making sense. Subscribe and take control of your finances, one simple step at a time. Hey folks! Today I'm diving into one of the most crucial skills you can master: budgeting. Now I know what you're thinking. Budgeting sounds boring, right? But trust me, it's all about giving every pound a purpose. It's not about restricting your spending. It's about being in control. Most people run out of money because they don't track where it goes. Picture this: you get your paycheck, you spend mindlessly, and by the end of the month, you're stressed about where your money went. Sounds familiar? Well, that's where budgeting comes in. With a budget, you're the boss. You plan for bills, savings, fun, and most importantly, peace of mind. In this series, I'll break budgeting down to make it simple, even if maths isn't your thing. So let's start with the basics. How to create your first budget. Step 1. Know your monthly income. This is your starting point. Step 2. List all your expenses: rent, food, subscriptions, you name it. Step 3. Separate them into needs, wants, and savings. Step 4. Use a simple rule like the 50-30-20 rule to divide your income. Finally, track and adjust weekly. No budget is perfect at first, but practice makes better. Now let's talk about fixed versus variable expenses. Fixed expenses stay the same, like rent and insurance. Variable expenses change, like groceries and entertainment. Identifying these helps you know where to cut when money's tight. Tips: start by trimming your variable expenses. That's where most overspending happens. Speaking of the 50-30-20 rule, let me break it down for you. It's a simple budget strategy. 50% of your income goes to needs, like rent and food. 30% to wants, like dining out or Netflix. 20% to savings and debt repayment. If 30% feels too high, adjust. The point is to have a plan, not perfection. Remember, budgeting isn't about living a restricted life. It's about having control over your finances and making sure you're prepared for anything life throws your way. So start small, stay consistent, and watch your financial stress melt away. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more budgeting tips. See you next time.